Honestly, I never liked you niggas, yeah, I'm dead racist. Niggas can't get pat on me, what's up, you tryna switch places? Got you niggas running creasing forces, breaking shoelaces. They know I don't give a damn, I want them, then I'm gon' chase them. Fill them up with it like doodle ball, oh, it's gon' erase them. Next time that I catch you, I'm gon' hit you with a combo breaker. Catch your scary ass and knock you down, I'm throwing haymakers. They're like, Shaan, you need to chill, they not on shit, calm down. I don't give a fuck, I know for kicking shit like Kung Lao. Down to splatter anybody, bitch, you better not run down. Play with me and catch a death sentence, must be compound. Put you in the ICU for all that talking tough. Feeling like I'm Gojo frigid, you too hard for you to touch. Ready to pop that nigga in the shit, he better not do too much. Whole time I ain't saying shit, your ass just don't like me for nothing. The only time you safe is Sunday morning when you with a nut. Niggas never face me, I just tell them going up your funds. All my niggas doing 4 flats, no need in trying to run. Been one they try to take down, come at me, get you done. Once they talking shit, but soft as hell, we call that pillow talking. You gon' bang with me, you know I'm smacking anything that's walking. Dracula, a real vampire, gonna catch a coffin, glizzy got on juking out here dancing like a jabberwock. Stupid ass won't come up on. Of course I think you lying to me, bro. They gotta be, he see your face like it's a fortune cookie. They know I'm a motherfucking monster, I eat human. Shut up in that backseat, be a scary sight, it's been proven. You been trying to find new ways to beat me, but you steady losing. I don't flex, but if I did, I had you looking stupid. I'm not a gangster, I'm a threat, and plus I'm fucking ruthless. Ain't got no love for none of y'all, it's like I killed you. I don't do no talking, I just let her try to play with me. I don't do no talking, I just let her think this shit is sweet. I don't do no talking, I just let these niggas hate on me. I don't do no talking, I just hunt that nigga in his sleep. Pick and roll, fade away and score, I shoot from due range. Got a cold heart, in love with money, that's my new flame. You try to take it from me, I'm gon' scramble you like loose change. Boy, I guess you done, make you a ghost, they call me Pat, man. You gon' do what the who? Bitch, I send you niggas to the gulag. You check my phone, won't see nothing but hitters in my call out. Until that pussy internet gangster, I make a log off. Give your ass a halo while I'm sliding in a war. I'm a cataclysmic, natural disaster, this shit get catastrophic. Got this nigga head in the scope, I see him through my audits. I'm just tryna make it to heaven, so I ain't tryna pocket. Put that rocket straight out my pocket and knock shit out the socket.